They've recently broadcast a documentary which is just beyond belief, saying that Nedda was part of a plot and she had a bottle of paint in her hand and she pulled it over her as she fell down, and then she was killed by the rest of the people who were implicated in the plot in the car. Just really disgusting lies, and we're here to say, look, you don't fool us, and you know, we know what's happened.